Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 4th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. It's binary time, number 6867. 6867. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, oh wait, double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Let me think. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So these 2 boxes should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here in the last row, column, so the rest are ones. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Finish in 3 minutes. Alright. I like this one, yes, without comparing. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.